Please like, share and subscribe. Anthuriums, often referred to as flamingo flowers or laceleaf, are tropical plants known for their striking, colorful flowers and glossy, heart-shaped leaves. Here is some information about Anthurium flowers. 1. Flower appearance. Anthurium flowers are distinctive and come in a variety of colors, including shades of red, pink, white, and orange. The flowers consist of a spadix, the upright, finger-like spike, surrounded by a spathe, a modified leaf, that can be heart-shaped, oval, or lanceolate, depending on the species and variety. The spathe is often shiny and waxy in appearance. 2. Blooming period. Anthuriums can bloom throughout the year under ideal conditions, with some species producing flowers more consistently than others. The flowers are long-lasting and can remain in bloom for several weeks to months. 3. Growing conditions. Anthuriums are tropical plants native to Central and South America, where they thrive in warm, humid environments. They prefer well-draining soil and indirect light, although they can tolerate some shade. Anthuriums are commonly grown as houseplants or in greenhouse settings in temperate regions. For care and maintenance, anthuriums require regular watering to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. They benefit from occasional misting to increase humidity levels, especially in dry indoor environments. Fertilize Anthurium plants regularly during the growing season with a balanced fertilizer formulated for flowering houseplants. 5. Toxicity. Anthurium plants contain calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation and discomfort if ingested. It's important to keep anthuriums out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. 6. Cultural significance. Anthuriums have cultural significance in various parts of the world. In some cultures, they are associated with love, romance, and hospitality, making them popular gifts for special occasions such as weddings and anniversaries. 7. Uses. Anthurium flowers are widely used in floral arrangements and bouquets due to their vibrant colors and long-lasting nature. They are also popular as potted plants for indoor decoration, adding a touch of tropical elegance to homes and offices. Overall, anthuriums are prized for their exotic beauty, glossy foliage, and colorful flowers, making them popular choices for both indoor and outdoor cultivation. With proper care, anthurium plants can thrive and provide years of enjoyment with their stunning blooms.